What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. And this is game two predictions, as you saw in the thumbnail. Once again, thank you to Puso P for making us one of your content creators. Guys, you can check that out dito sa pusop.com. And today we'll be doing our score predictions for game two of the NBA playoffs. And at the same time, meron na rin kaming mga, yung mga sprinkles of game commentary on what we think could happen, what happened in game one. You know how this goes. And hopefully our NBA videos catch up to the PBA. No? I mean, it took a while for us to get that traction sa PBA. But hopefully sa NBA, umabol din. No? Let me share my screen kasi this is what happened last time. We will show you guys yung score prediction namin.
Are you wearing three hats, man? Why are
Anyway,
you wearing
okay.
three caps, Mario?
First one, guys, let's talk about game
Sorry,
two
what?
of the Cavaliers against the Raptors. Game one, wherein the Cavs beat the Raptors as expected at home. Mario, okay, si Mario and Graham will be the one. Actually, si Mario na lang. Mario, you will be the one to give me the score. Right? Dito muna.
Why?
Let's
No,
get the
Graham and I
score.
do it
Why?
together. We do it together. We do it
Yeah,
together.
sorry. I
Why?
said Mario and Graham. You will be giving
Okay.
the score here. Prediction for here. This one.
Graham was so heated. He was like, wait, what?
I mean, why just Mario?
Sabi ko, sorry, na-distract ako sa cap niya. So parang Mario na lang nasabi ko.
Yeah,
Kasi
right?
tinitingnan ko
I
yung,
was about to say
kinakount
I'm
ko yung
wearing
number
three.
of caps. Kaya parang
I'm wearing three
Mario.
caps because every time Graham says something stupid, I'm gonna remove one cap. so, so that's how I'm gonna do this
Yeah.
episode.
Do we do
Um,
the score right away?
Okay.
no,
Pwede score
we
mo,
do the
pwede mo
same
na
thing as
score
before.
muna and then tawag dito.
Let's do the
Give the
same thing as
score then
before,
what we
man.
think about what's gonna happen in game 2.
Baliktad, Gagi.
Well, sige, let's do ano muna. Let's do what happens in game 2 between the Cavs and
Yeah,
the Raptors, then let's get the score.
yeah. It's gonna be the same story as game one, bro. This is an outmatched series. I thought Toronto would put up a bigger fight, if I'm being honest. Pero yung game
They did
one,
in the first quarter.
yeah, but wow, thanks, man. First quarter. But I don't think they put up a big fight in this one, man. Cleveland at home is very good. And then Toronto, they need a lot better performances from their guys, dude. Scotty had what? Scotty had 21, 1 and 7. Ingram had 17. Barrett had 17. It's not even a bad game. 24 pala si Barrett. But then, man, Cleveland's another machine. This is a double digit win again. I don't think this is necessarily a close series. I think this is what did I say in the first video? Cleveland in 6. I think this now becomes a Cleveland in 5.
Yeah. Yeah. I think I was the one who said Cleveland in 5.
Yeah,
And I
it is.
still think that's gonna happen. Um Experience, bro. It's really important in basketball. They
Yeah.
have the guys na who can lead them to excuse me, who can lead them to where they want to go. Uh I mean, they're low-key my pick to be the sleeper in the East. Uh, Telling you, it was a great first quarter. It was a great first half until Cleveland decided na, I think it's time to kind of stretch our legs.
Bro, ang lalim kasi ng
Yeah, but
Cleveland. Dude,
yeah,
24 points off the bench from Max Strus alone.
Max Strus. Yeah,
Like,
Kasi,
man,
and
but tama yung timing na pagbalik niya from injury, no? Because he was gone for like
yeah,
80% of the season, 90%
yeah, he was
even.
gone
Just
for a
came back
long
sa
time,
final last 10 games pa yun.
yeah. So,
bro.
dude, this
My
isn't close.
thing, yeah. Go
Here,
ahead, Mario.
Cleveland won this game by 13
Yeah.
after Toronto won the fourth by 8. So they were losing by 21 at this point
Mhm.
at certain points. Right? This is not a close series in the slightest, man. I think Cleveland wins game 2 by 14 to 15 points.
I was about to say 17, 118, 101.
Dominated.
Kasi, bro, Donovan, here's the thing. If the NBA playoffs end in round 1, James Harden and Donovan Mitchell are top 30 players of all time. May limit kasi yung galing nila eh. At least nasa mga nakita natin. Like James Harden normally ends in the second round or probably the conference finals. Donovan Mitchell has not reached the conference finals with the Jazz or with the Cavs. So it's a matter of the bench. Pero at least in the first round, I am not scared at all. I'm not concerned about Cleveland losing. I think 118-101 final score in game 2. Again, it's Cleveland at home. They're a very high scoring team. Actually, I'm gonna adjust that to probably 123, 106.
I'm fine with your
Um,
numbers. I would say it goes like 121 to 107. You good with that? 121 to 107 or 121 to 106?
yeah, let's do that. 121, 106.
Yeah, 121, 106 is fine.
5
I think
points.
that's okay.
106, 106, 106, brother.
Oh,
106,
tambak.
bro.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
probably. Yeah, dude, this isn't a close series at all.
Yeah. Baka Cleveland in 5 pa nga eh.
It
Right?
is Cleveland
Yeah,
in
it's
5. I think they
Cleveland.
all
Cleveland in 5. Okay.
Cleveland.
Knicks versus the Hawks. We're in Jalen Johnson played like a human here. Syempre, it's his first playoff series. The Knicks won 113-102 last game. Wherein we had Jalen Brunson, Carl Anthony Towns, Josh Hart, 11, 14, and 5 last game. OG Anunoby. Everybody was locked on. Locked in. Starting
Yeah.
five ng New York was Atlanta naman. It's Jalen Johnson played like a 23-7 is usually a good game, but
Not for
Jalen
him.
Johnson not for him.
Nasanay tayo. Nasanay. They can use a better Jalen Johnson.
Yeah.
Yung taga Rain or Shine. But
The
thoughts
Jalen
on
Johnson who can shoot.
And play make.
the one who's gonna be a future Gilas, Jalen
Yeah, Gila.
Johnson.
The real Jalen Johnson.
Oh my
Like, trade kasi
god.
sila ng talents before that game. Pero tomorrow, it will all be okay. I have a take
Strong.
here.
Mm.
I have a take here. Atlanta wins this game, bro. Atlanta wins game 2 for me. I don't know. I don't know. It was a good game from New York kasi nung game 1. Pero alam mong kayang sumabay ng Atlanta eh. You know, it's not a sobrang layo ng agot nila. They were only down by 2 at halftime. Umalagwa lang nung third and fourth quarter to a certain degree lang naman, dude. It wasn't even that
Mm.
bad. So, I think this one, it's either Atlanta wins this game, they steal it, or um I don't know why I'm saying NLEX. New York wins by like 3 or 4 points. But I think
I was
Atlanta
going there,
talaga.
man. I think New York wins this around four or 5 points. Parang 114, 109. I know we're not gonna agree in that score. Pero um in the fourth or at least in the second half, dun pumutok si Carl Anthony Towns. Doon siya naka-score ng a couple of three-pointers niya, if I remember it correctly. And then for Atlanta, yung tall task kasi dito is to just be close with New York. But the problem is if you get close with New York, they have a good closer in Jalen Bronson tsaka si Carl Anthony Towns. So, mahirap din talaga silang dikita, especially at the Garden. That's why game 2 is a must win for Atlanta. I mean, it's common knowledge that it's a must win para at least hindi ka down 0-2 going to the ATL. Pero when you play like that, tapos excuse me, I'm sorry, but Jonathan Kaminga only with 8 points in game number 1. I think he has to be better. If Jonathan Kaminga plays better, I know Nico, you probably don't like Jonathan Kaminga that much anymore. Pero if he plays better, then
There
they
was
have
a
a big
time.
chance of winning. I'm just saying that I don't see that happening at the Garden tonight. So I think New York wins it a little bit closer. 114, 109. Actually, you cannot squeeze more from the starters of New York. Sorry, of Atlanta in game 1. Like Okongwu had 19, Jalen Johnson 23, CJ McCollum 26, and then Alexander Walker had 17. Dyson Daniels was good on defense, had 11 assists. Like it's the bench that has to step up for Atlanta. So that's why I think New York's still gonna win game 2 and go up 2-0 heading into the ATL.
Okay, so in this one, Nico, what do you think?
Knicks pa rin. Knicks pa rin ako dito.
Comeback or close game?
Tambak pa rin.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Feel ko tambak pa rin.
Oh.
Score.
For me, I would say it might be like
Wait lang.
what
Sige lang.
maybe like
Ayan.
110, 107 in favor of New York,
Oh.
I guess. I have Atlanta, but then you guys both have New York. So 110, 107, 111, 107. Which
I
one do you
had
prefer?
114, 109.
Yeah.
Um,
You want to go like 112, 108?
Something like
112.
that. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can see that
112,
happening.
108 's fine.
I don't know about Nico. I think tambakan yung hulaan niya.
I don't think
Ano
tambakan
score?
sila.
112,
Go-
108?
Yeah.
we agreed to 112, 108 New York. How
Oh,
about you?
majority.
You wanna put
Majority.
input?
Majority. I follow the majority.
Oh, that's a democracy right there.
Democracy tayo.
Alright.
Denver Timberwolves.
Ito,
This
man.
one,
That was a great game one. It was a great
maganda
game.
Yeah.
to. Maganda tong game 1 na to.
Bro,
Feel ko makakasilat dito nga Minnesota eh.
I think Minnesota wins game 2, bro.
Pero super close, baka by 3-4.
I think it's
I
it's
can
a
see it.
game winner or something like that. You know what I mean? Or a clutch defensive play by Gobert or something to that extent. Like game decided in the last 2 minutes, something like that.
It's a heart. It's
Kasi, dude,
a heart attack
yeah,
game.
dun sa last game naman nila, they were there. They just had that really bad
Mhm.
yung offensive
Third
rebound.
quarter.
Hindi, pati yung fourth quarter
Yung yung kay
offensive
Jamal
rebound.
Murray. Yeah,
Oo,
yung kay
man.
Jamal Murray.
Like, andun na yun eh. Like kunin mo na lang yun eh. Tapos di mo pa lang nakuha. So, and to be fair, Denver got lucky na tumama sa rim yun, di ba? So,
Very close.
breaks went the Nuggets' way. I think this goes Minnesota this time.
I can
But
see that happening.
right? But do you think it happens?
Yeah, I think Minnesota. I told you this 7-game series. So, I can see Minnesota. Actually, I have Minnesota winning this game. Very,
Yeah.
very close then.
Where are
It's
we here?
they had a good start in game 1. They were up by 10 in the
They're up
first
10.
quarter, diba?
Yeah.
Ganda nga rin,
Yeah, and
biglang ano
even
na
at the
talaga.
end of the first, they were up 10. These two teams are a good match. And tinanong ko ni Nico kanina before the PBA pod, like, does Anthony Edwards look like, he's hurt or something? I don't think so. Did
Na-contain
not
lang.
have a good shooting
7
game.
of 19
7 of
lang.
19 lang. Yeah, but he moved well. He was clutch. He had a 3-pointer in the fourth to cut the lead. So I can see Minnesota winning this game. Very, very tight. Siguro mga around 114, 112.
Yeah, I have
Ganun.
like something like that too. I have something like that also.
Yeah,
Dude, I was
114,
gonna say
112.
113, 112. I think they win by like 1 point.
1 point game. Bro,
Bro, kasi
I'm
for me,
really
man,
cautious sa 1 point games rin.
bro, Naz Reid has to be so much better talaga. I mean, like, relied upon ka eh. You need to be good in this Denver series kasi may Aaron Gordon yung kabila, may Cam J,
Yeah.
may Jokic. So you need to have good bigs on the other end who can, or Valanciunas then, who can match up. I think Naz has to be better. I think they win by 1 to 3 points, man.
Yeah, kailangan mong i-match yung yung ipoproduce nung let's say third or fourth best player ng Denver, and at last game it was Aaron Gordon who had 17. He only had 5. So imagine if you even out, then it was a tie
Exactly.
game or you won by 1, diba? So Naz Reid is the barometer. He has always been the barometer. When he's shooting the ball well, which happens 3 times a year, always against the Lakers,
The Lakers.
they have a very good chance of winning the game, diba? And he's no stranger to big games na rin. I remember last year in the first round, they had a couple of big shots to bury the Lakers in the first round. So, yeah, Nico, I said 114, 111, Mario said.
Pero 140 ng Timberwolves, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, 114, 112
111.
ata ni Mario, right? We agreed on
114,
112.
112.
Basta
something like
ganyan,
that.
basta Timberwolves mananalo.
Yeah, but by
Yeah.
very small margin.
I think that those are the 3 games.
Ito, tambakan
Oh,
na naman to.
we're doing all game twos.
Lahat to game
we're
2s
doing
lang.
all game 2s?
Oo.
Yeah, all two.
Oh, okay.
But last time ganun din. Game 1
Yeah,
ginawa niyo lahat.
that's why Nico wants us to make our comments short because we're doing 8 games.
Okay.
Di ba last time rin naman, ganun
Yeah,
ginawa?
we did 8 games.
Yeah.
That
You guys did 8 games.
was like an
It's
hour.
the same.
That was like an hour. That's a whole hour.
Yeah, it's an hour.
This one's a
Big
blowout.
rig.
Same.
45 minutes lang
Yeah.
kayo nun.
That's long.
PTA.
This is belt to ass, brother. This is belt to ass. I'm sorry for saying Philadelphia has a chance in this series.
Boston in 5. Pero mananalo pa rin sila dito.
No, it's in. I think it's in 4.
5. Philly can steal one.
5.
Oh,
Philly
they
can
can
steal
get
one.
one. They can get one.
Philly can steal.
I'd
Pero
say mga
malayo. Tambak to.
122-97 parang. 25
You know, last game you said they'd win by 30. And I said, no, they're not gonna win by 30. They won by
Yeah, they did.
32.
They
They
did
won
not
by
win by 30 in theory.
they won by more. So
Yeah.
uh man,
Ride
they
with the
look good
horse.
again. You know, I'm excited. There's a chance for a Boston Oklahoma finals, and I don't know who wins that. I don't
Boston,
know
San
who.
Antonio din pwede.
San Antonio's looking good. I'll
I
talk
think
Oo.
about
if it happens, it's gonna be OKC kasi excuse me. The home court.
Wait, let's stick muna to
Iba yung home court.
Sixers Celtics. It was
Oh,
so basically it was a
sorry,
blowout game one.
122-97.
120. Would you agree there, Mario? So
Do you agree with that,
I
Mario?
don't hate it,
120.
dude. I
pili ko
don't
mga
hate it.
114, 115,
What if we go like 119 to 93?
93.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Basta tambak.
Whatever
Point is
blows the
tambak.
Sixers out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
tambak yan, bro.
This
Okay.
one too.
Yeah. So Spurs, Trailblazers, ang ganda
Bro,
ng laro na yan.
bro,
I mean, ang ganda ng
Victor Wembanyama's so good, man. It's just
it's really unfair.
I watched this
It's
game
not
in full. I watched this game
fair.
in full for reasons unknown. I watched this game in
I
Yeah.
full,
watched
man.
this game in full.
Man, he's just so good. It felt I was personally rooting for Portland again, reasons unknown. Man, he's just so good. The Spurs are just so good, man. Like this was a bad game from Castle and Harper, but they had
Doesn't matter.
Vassell, Cornet was dominating. You know how bad you have to be if you're Portland. Donovan Klingon, you are dog. Okay, you are terrible at basketball, man. Like I don't I understand being dominated by Wemby. That's normal. But you were getting dominated by Luke Cornet, man. Like,
Si Luke
oh man.
Cornet pa yun na ano eh, no?
Man, you got, alam mo, it's normal, sa French vanilla tandem, it's normal to get cooked by French. But,
Vanilla dapat.
vanilla? No, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I didn't.
Okay. 35 points for Wemby. It's crazy because he had 35, but he only had 5 rebounds, 1 assist, and 2 blocks. Like it's kind of a
Let
down
down
game for
Valley.
Wemby for if we're looking at the stats. Oh wow, really got it. Pero it was still enough, bro. Yung presence niya lang. It's crazy that a 7'5" guy shoots 5 of 6 from 3-point land.
Bro,
People 10 years from now are still gonna say, oh, Kevin Garnett was better than Victor Wembanyama. Oh, Robert Parrish was better than Victor Wembanyama. No, they're not. 10 years from now.
dude, please.
I'm telling you, Oklahoma City is watching this series playing. Someone, please take San Antonio out. Because
Dude,
they don't know what to do with
Victor's just so good. I was getting so stressed kanina. I'm not gonna say Portland was bad. Portland played a decent game, bro.
Yeah.
Scoot played well. Scoot played really well. Denny
18-3
was
and
having
3. Not bad. Okay si Scoot yung laro. Okay nga
yeah,
si Scoot Henderson. Tinapos ko rin tong laro na to from start to finish eh.
I watched his whole thing.
Yan,
Then
yan na
Denny
kasing
was
game na
good.
available eh.
Yeah.
Actually. Yeah.
Dude,
There
Denny
you
was
go.
very good also kanina.
30
He's not
points,
bad.
30 and 10.
Yeah. Drew
Yeah,
Holiday was
Denny's really
bad.
good.
I'll say that. Jeremy Grant was bad, but oh my God, Donovan Klingon was so bad.
Wala.
Man,
Yeah.
May expose ka naman. Well, actually, kay Cornet talaga dapat di ka na-expose sa ganun. Pero it
again,
is what
yeah,
it is.
exactly. You're not supposed to get dominated by vanilla in French vanilla. You get
Dapat si Time
dominated
Lord
by
na lang
French.
i-start. Dapat si Time Lord na lang.
Do
He's
that.
playing well,
Do that.
Dude,
Do that to
isukal na
NBA
natin.
champion
You're
Luke
gonna,
Cornet.
Playoffs na to
bro,
eh.
alam mo.
Pasok mo na si Time Lord.
Dude, isukal mo na. Talo ka naman.
Yeah,
Pasok mo na
10.
si Yang Hansen.
Yeah, right.
Like, sugal mo na. But,
What's our score? Tambak ulit to.
wait, let me check something.
You know what? I'd say
Let me
it's
check something.
116-101. Parang
Once.
Let me check.
Mario, where are you at?
Give me a second. Let me just test out my
we can
feed.
average out this game.
Pinagmat pa ako.
Sorry, I wasn't prepared for this. Huh? What am I doing? Oh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Okay. I think this actually goes this goes San Antonio's way, but I feel like they win by like 10. They win by like 9, 10, or 11. Something like that. I don't think they win by 15.
So,
Ganito,
So what were
okay.
you at? 116 one? Yeah, that's fine. I'm good with that.
116,
161,
107. Okay.
107.
I think
Lake.
117, 107 if you want.
Okay, this one's tricky because Kevin Durant is coming back.
Wait a minute.
Is he back?
Give Graham and I some time to talk
Sabi
now.
ko lang, pero still, ang ganda ng game 1. Ang ganda ng game 1.
Is he
That
going
was,
back?
si Luke, yeah, KD's back game 2. Pero Luke Kennard, 27 points, the leading scorer for the Lakers. Ang ganda ng laro niya. LeBron with 8 assists daw in the first quarter or something.
Yeah,
Basta,
sure.
yeah. 19 and 13. Everybody played well. The starting five, Ayton dominated, 19 and 11, 8 for 10.
Yeah.
And
Bro,
Jared Vanderbilt hit a corner three, which is funny. And yun ang alam mong araw ng Lakers when that happens.
bro, bro, man, you don't know how happy I was when the Lakers won this game. My
Me
gosh,
too.
I thought like, and they didn't look bad doing it. Alam mo
Sobrang
yun?
ganda. Gusto, ang ganda ng ikot ng bola. Everybody was really confident in what they
Yeah.
were doing.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling a little something in this series, man. I'm feeling something in this series, bro. But I told Graham
I'm
this in the last
riding.
episode. I feel like game 1 yung mananalo ng Lakers because Houston's not ready or whatever. Tapos game 2 baka masilat ng Houston. It depends if KD plays. Um, Nico you said he's coming back, right?
He's he has a good chance of playing.
Oh, okay. You know what? I don't
Doesn't
care.
matter.
I don't care.
It doesn't matter to me.
I don't
He
care, man.
already got the first game.
Yeah, my thing is, Şengün played really bad, and I don't think he
Yeah,
played
masama
bad.
laro man.
He didn't play bad because of because na he struggled lang. The Lakers defense on Şengün was good. Uh, Yesterday or 2 days ago, I forgot what it was. Yesterday, so it could be a big thing. Pero again, KD's KD kasi alam mo yun, like there's a big difference between defending Okogie from deep and defending Kevin Durant from 3-point range, di ba? Malaking bagay yun. Uh, but I'm still happy the Lakers won game 1, man. Rui played well. Luke Kennard. Yeah, sure. Okay. Well,
Sure.
Luke Kennard was good. Really good. For some reason, he was taking contested threes and they were going in. So, alam mo, medyo gabingan niya. But
First
for
player
this
in
one,
history. First player
huh?
in history to go to the Lakers and not forget
Not
how
become
to
bad
shoot.
shooter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Danny Green, though. Danny Green. Danny Green's a good shooter.
Danny
Uh,
Green, yeah.
Danny Green's a good shooter. What do you got here? I don't want to say the
Lakers.
Lakers. You think the Lakers win again
Lakers.
with KD?
Lakers. I don't care. We got the first game. Lakers.
Pero feel ko
112.
Lakers to in...
Rockets. 105.
Huh? Feel ko 109. Ganyan.
Ah,
Ano? Lakers mananalo. Ako agree
In
rin
the
ako. Pero
clutch, it's hard to beat the Lakers. Like their record in the clutch has been impeccable.
the
I think they only had
Lakers...
one loss or two losses in the clutch.
Actually, I'm gonna give it like this, mga ganyan or something.
Whoa, grabe naman yun, man. But yeah,
Dude,
sure,
Kevin
LeBron game
Durant
winner,
is
sure.
back!
KD's back, bro. Pero alam mo kasi yung mga, when KD alam mo yung mga games na ganyan, medyo trap yan eh. Na bumalik yung player, biglang, again, people will expect them to win, then all of a sudden,
Talo pa. Yun nga, talo pa rin sila. Pero,
oh man, I don't know.
oh,
I would say like 114. I'd say 114, 111.
ganun. Okay.
That's
Okay.
fine.
This was a shocker. Detroit, Orlando,
It was.
with Detroit losing to Orlando at home.
Bro, the game 1
So they
Orlando
bounced back.
Magic, the game,
Top
I
5
don't know if
team
you,
in NBA history.
brother, I don't know if
I
you
know this
remember
NBA history last
DJ,
playoffs also, right?
DJ Augustine against the Toronto Raptors in 2019 or 2020.
19.
I forgot which one it was. Game 1, they stole it. They won it by like 11. And then know what happened the rest of the series?
Wala
It
na.
was blow, 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 blow. It was blowouts
They won
every
game 1 in the bubble against the Milwaukee Bucks
yeah, that one
of
also.
Giannis.
Bro, it's not close. But
Nasaan tayo
Detroit
dito?
has
Ganito? I
flaws.
feel like it's like that.
Detroit has flaws kasi.
Mm.
And Orlando looks good in their past 2 games. They dominated Charlotte. They dominated Detroit. Detroit wins this game, but I think they win it by 6.
Ooh. Okay, what's the
6? I
score?
have
Let's change. Let's
15.
change.
I have
It.
116.
So
Can we do
15 plus
110,
6. So
101?
mga 10, 11 points yung average natin. So what's the score?
Can we do 110, 101?
Parang ang baba. Ay, hindi, tama lang, tama lang. This is somewhere around their average. Man.
Yeah. And then the last game, put it out there, man. Just say
Oh,
128.
ito feel ko sweep. Ito sweep.
Yeah,
Ito
of
na ba yung
course,
series
of
na sweep? Teka lang ah.
that's a sweep. That's a sweep. That's a sweep.
Yeah, this is the only sweep. Ito kasi
That's a
feel ko, ito
sweep.
parang
One-
magka 5-2 at least eh.
I'm telling you, they're gonna
OKC
do
by
at least 3 sweeps.
15.
15. What's their score? What's their score?
Just 15?
Yeah, 15. 15.
What's the score?
Can you do 20? Like 128, 108.
128,
that.
108. Pwede naman.
You think
These are our
Alright.
predictions.
Phoenix by I think OKC wins
I
by
think bro,
Hey,
it's
look
not
at
close.
that.
Like
Dito
Dylan
kayo.
Brooks, you can do your
Ooh.
bro, you can do your gimmick,
And our friends
Dylan
from
Brooks.
Boleros.
but no. Oh, our friends from Boleros. Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Shout out Boleros.
The
yes.
most accurate prediction you
What
can
did you have?
reach,
What did you
go
have?
to
What did you have?
Puso Philippines.
What's our final score?
86 points.
We're
They have
80s. We're
86
number
points.
1, baby! So far!
How is
Kita niyo ba
Puso
to?
P in the top 3? How can you play yourself?
I think someone's using it. I think, the system.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you how to play yourself.
You have to try it, diba? You have to try the system.
Hey, now.
You're
So
playing
what's
your...
the last? What did we do for OKC Phoenix?
Cute natin dito. Wow!
What did,
We
si Bam,
did,
si
we
Bam
did
Aquino.
predict it, bro.
Seriously, Bam?
Si Bam,
Nick.
si Almond.
Catching slander.
What did we have?
Si
last
Almo
game?
na naka-Hinebra jersey.
Sa Phoenix OKC, I was not able to
What did Nico
take
put?
note of that. Pero blowout
Where are we
din
looking
to
at?
eh.
Okay,
Phoenix
see
and
ito.
OKC.
Yung
No,
OKC
20?
Phoenix.
Really?
Pili ko tambak pa rin yan. Ano ba prizes naman ko? Ooh.
Hold on. What
Uy,
did
from
we,
Smart.
130.98. We had it 130.98. What was the final score?
What do you mean we had it 130-98?
Game 1. I wanna see what game 1 was.
Phoenix OKC.
It was
So it
You missed the
was
match, you missed the match.
119.84.
119-84. That's a 35-point win. Ew. Ew.
We predicted 32. Not too far. Again.
Not bad,
I
not
mean,
bad.
the most accurate preview you can ever have.
Dude. Okay, fine. I'll give you the 20 points. I think they win by 15. But sure.
Yeah.
You think Phoenix is gonna be 20 points better?
Really bad game from Phoenix, okay? Like, really bad game. Like,
By the way,
it was-
SGA is not fun to watch. SGA is not fun to watch.
yeah, like, this is a bad game from Phoenix. Devin Booker, 8 for 17. Jalen Green, 6 for 16. My favorite one, Dylan Brooks, 6 for 22. Oh my God. 15, 16, something like that. But yeah, we're done with it. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's basically our game 2 predictions, guys. Let us know what you think about this one. Let us know in the comments. Nico here with Mario and Graham. This is the NBA Playoffs podcast. See you all next time.
Adios, amigos. See you game 3.
Bye, guys.